Hi, I'm Yang from Dan국 University. Today, I'm here to talk about leading for the fourth industrial revolution and 3 aptitude for engineering students. It's from part 1 to part 4. So, what exactly is the fourth industrial revolution and why should we care? First of all, I want to tell you history of the series of industrial revolution. Knowing that what was the first, second, and third industrial revolution is essential to understand the fourth industrial revolution. So we have to start with the beginning. The first industrial revolution began in 1712. Thomas Newcomen invented the steam-driven pump. It started with steam, and eventually, a century later, they developed into petrol and gas-driven engines. These new manufacturing processes, the creation of factories and a booming textile industry. This is the first industrial revolution. The second began in the late 18th. At this stage, we have mass production and new industries like steel, oil, electricity. The light bulb, the telephone, and internal combustion engine was a few of the major inventions of this area. The third industrial revolution began in the 1960s. It's known as the digital revolution that has brought the digital world to us and gave us the internet and 4G, LTE, 5G like that. Actually, in just a few decades, we saw the invention of the semiconductor, the personal computer, and the internet. The fourth industrial revolution is what is going to happen and what is beginning to happen as we realize that these new digital tools are not just a tool to help us do what we used to do. It means it is a way describing the blurring boundaries between physical, digital, and biological worlds. Let's move on to the part 2. The fourth industrial revolution is around us and ongoing. Actually, the fourth industrial revolution is already around us. First, think GPS system that suggests the fastest route to the destination. They let us know the way to somewhere. I think many drivers use this at the same time. Second is voice-activated virtual assistants such as Apple Siri, Samsung Bixby. It's one of the artificial intelligence, which we call it AI. Third is personalized Netflix recommendations. They give us filtered content based on each individual user profile. As I told you, the fourth industrial revolution is coming with the fastest speed ever. It took 75 years for 100 million users adopting the telephone. What about Instagram? It signed up 100 million users in just 2 years. And Pokemon Go, which was really a popular game, it caught that amount in a month. That's true, it's hard to keep up with the fastest pace ever of technological change. So I'm going to give you 3 aptitudes for engineering students. I'll just say these 3 aptitudes briefly at first. First one is professionalism. Second is convergence capability. The third is problem-solving capability through collaboration. These 3 things are all falling into engineering students. Okay, then first one is professionalism. Engineering students are specialized in technology. Engineering specialists in material, biochemical, nanotech, and robotics will become critically important to the Industrial 4.0, claims new research by the World Economic Forum. We can develop professionals who have a deep understanding on their fields of expertise. New application and job will be popping up around every corner. Only who have own technology and expertise can survive. The second is convergence capability. Convergence is finding something new by using something that already exists as a material for an idea. The fourth industrial revolution will see the convergence of multiple fields, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotics, nanotechnology, 3D printing, genetics, and biotechnology. So, convergence capability becomes critical. It includes creative and flexible thinking and the ability to adapt new technologies. Engineering students have excellent convergence ability, not only with the knowledge related to their field, but also with cross-border research. We have problem-solving skill. The University of Engineering has a well-established system for comprehensive and flexible thinking skill. Therefore, it is possible to lead new development without any border in which field by convergence. The third is problem-solving capability through collaboration. The fourth industrial revolution emphasized collaboration, communication, self-expression, and problem-solving ability, making us unable to flexibly collaborate, discuss with team, and solving problems together is pretty important now. The keyword for collaboration is social and emotional learning skills, which is SEL skills. The important thing, this keyword refers to the ability and qualities to interact and collaborate well with others. As our workforce getting diverse, we need better way to communicate and manage projects. Also, the fourth industrial revolution can make us multi-location teams meeting in Zoom meeting. The best idea can come from flexible collaboration. Group-based classes such as the team design project and group experimental task, those can develop cooperation, communication, self-expression, and problem solving. Taking these classes help us not only technical skill and knowledge regarding the class, but also engineering students can learn how to maximize the human nature and accessibility produced through the relationship between people, which cannot be replaced by emotion. With the fourth industrial revolution presenting both new opportunity and challenges for us, it depends on all of us. If we play it right by embracing change instead of rejecting it, it can enhance our lives. To quick recap, I'd like to say we should keep ourselves engaged and qualified to keep up with industry advancement. We have not only the technical skill, but also can demonstrate flexibility and ability to take charge. We should be future-ready talent with following these three powerful aptitudes. Thank you for listening.